Gautam Adani's Adani Enterprises has launched a $2.5 billion FPO. The largest ever in India, with plans to raise 20,000 crore rupees. However, before the FPO opens on January 31st, Adani Group stocks have suffered a significant drop. Due to a report by Hindenburg Research that accuses the company of corporate fraud and stock manipulation. As a result, over 2 lakh crore rupees of Adani Enterprises wealth was erased in the market. The Adani Group has responded by threatening legal action against the report. What are the specific allegations made by Hindenburg Research against Adani Group? Hello and welcome to Learn. And before we proceed, thanks for watching and please do subscribe to our channel. The stock market opened with a bang, following a 2-day break due to Republic Day. However, the shares of all 9 listed Adani Group companies took a nosedive, plummeting and trading in the red. The group lost nearly 2 lakh crore rupees in market capitalization on Friday, with the overall decline in its market capitalization reaching over 2.75 lakh crore rupees. The shares of Adani Total Gas fell by a staggering 17%, while Adani Green Energy and Adani Transmission fell by over 12% and more. Adani Power and Adani Wilmar shares were down 5% each, and the group's flagship company, Adani Enterprises, was down 3.5%. The sharp fall in the shares comes just 2 days after Hindenburg Research, an investment research firm based in the United States, published a report alleging that the Adani Group engaged in brazen stock manipulation and accounting fraud over the course of decades. The report, titled Adani Group: How the World's Third Richest Man is Pulling the Biggest Scam in Corporate History, is the result of a 2-year-long investigation into the Adani Group, which is valued at 17.8 trillion rupees. Hindenburg Research accused the conglomerate of the improper and broad use of companies based in offshore tax havens and raised concerns about excessive debt levels. The firm also claimed to have evidence that the Adani Group has engaged in a scheme of stock manipulation and accounting fraud for decades. The report criticized investors, journalists, citizens, and even politicians for holding back on the big, blatant fraud taking place in broad daylight for fear of retaliation. Adani Group has hit back at the report and warned of a legal action against the mischievous report. The report also alleged that the Adani Group companies are intricately and clearly linked to 38 alleged Mauritius-based shell companies, controlled by Vinod Adani, Gautam Adani's older brother, and several other similar companies based in Cyprus, the United Arab Emirates, Singapore, and various Caribbean islands. The drama continues as the largest ever FPO in the history of India is set to be launched by Adani Enterprises, aims to raise 20,000 crore rupees in the market. The FPO will open for the public on January 31st. Just days after the report by Hindenburg Research and the sharp fall in the shares of Adani Group stocks. The stage is set for a showdown as the market eagerly awaits the outcome of this historic FPO.